We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well. So I totally forgot to do an intro for today's video, so I'm just going to keep this short and sweet. I really hope that you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and let's just jump straight into it.
we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together. To go on together. Moonlight and fire, dancing closely together and staying forever young. What about you and I then? Can we two find a way to align with each other? Let's move closer to a new history. Find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together.
Ignore my dishwasher in the background because it's really loud, but I wanted to like change this section up because it just looks way too busy, and I'm really not a fan of these DIY pumpkins anymore, so I think I'm going to use this. I also picked up this really cute pumpkin from Primark, if it'll focus. It was £4, and I just thought they look really pretty together, and it's just a lot more simple. So I think I'm just going to rearrange this bit, add those, and see what it looks like. I needed a quick coffee break. Just ignore the state of me. I've not got makeup on because I thought, who wants to clean the house with a full face of makeup? Not me. So I wanted to show you a quick behind the scenes, because whenever I do these like cleaning videos, my house kind of already looks tidy, and that's really not the case. So yeah, even when I first go into the room to tidy up, I don't think you can really get the whole idea of how messy it actually is. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk you through just a little bit of the upstairs before we get tidying, just while I finish my coffee, and I'm just gonna show you a bit of behind the scenes. So this is the bedroom, and it's still an absolute mess. I sort of fold things and then don't get to put them away, so I've just put them there. I'll get round to that in a minute, but if we come through here, you can actually see how messy it is. Excuse me, Max. So that's the washing that we folded up earlier, and I didn't even get a chance to put it away yet. But this is the dressing room. If I back up a bit, like, it's just an absolute state. I do have a new carpet cleaner. I've not used this yet, so I can't wait to vax the carpets. Don't know if that'll be in today's video or not. I don't know if I'm going to be filming this throughout a few days or if it's just going to be a shorter one. I'm really not sure, but we've got tons to do. Coming through into the bathroom as well, like, it's an absolute state. It's so gross. Like, look at that, it's just disgusting. So I've got so much to do, but I always just put it off as long as possible because I hate doing the bathrooms. And I say this every single time, I just hate doing them. But then because I've left it for so long, they're twice as hard to do and it takes twice as long. So there's that. Look at the cute bunny room. I don't know if you can see them. I won't be doing the bunny room today because there is just way too much to get done. So I'm not going to be doing that today. That's for another day. They are perfectly happy in there, so that's how it's staying. But yeah, I really need to just sort out all of upstairs. I think because I start downstairs and everything is then nice and clean and tidy, it's so easy to just get a coffee and sit down and enjoy the tidiness and just forget upstairs. But I really don't want to do that today, so I've put the bed in the wash. I'm gonna crack on with all of this and hopefully we can get it all done today.
Be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight? Call you mine, think about you every time. I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay.
So it's now a few days later and I'm going to be tackling the bunny room. So Rob's already done the litter tray, which I'm so thankful for. So now I just need to go in, give it a tidy and hoover and stuff and just make it nice and clean for them. And then after that I'm going to be heading back through to my dressing room because I want to do some organising and decluttering in the drawers, because some of the drawers you can't even open them because they're just chock-a-block. So first the bunny room, then the dressing room, and then we'll see where we're at.
You're never ever scared of the dark, so why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Yeah, you never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Yeah. It's almost like I can't stop. Yeah. Can't stop. No. Think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. I can't stop. Can't stop.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I really hope that you've enjoyed hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe if you have, so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and I'll see you guys back here in the next one.